Good afternoon, everyone. This is Gary from the Okeechobee Gardener. Today, I'm out here in house number 1, and we need to repair this wonderful broken down nursery. While I was sick, the cats were out here and they were having a good, wonderful time with the screen. As you see, they've got the top screen. All this is all broken up. All of this. They got the light knocked down. So what we're going to do is replace the screen. We're going to take out these trays. By the way, each one of these will hold 4, 10, 20 trays. We're going to clean these all up and wash them all up. We're going to take all the feed piping out and we're going to take it apart. We're going to clean all that. And this is the tank for it. Doesn't need a lot, only runs once a day. That's it. So we'll get this tank all cleaned out, get all these pipes cleaned, and we'll be ready to run again as far as the nursery goes. If you think about it, you can get 4 Oasis cubes. They fit in the 10-20 trays. You get 4 in this one and 4 in that one, so that's 8. I can do math, see? That way we have anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks of plants, but most of the time 2 weeks, because that's about as long as they stay in here, worth of plants. Okay, we'll get started and get back with you. Hey guys, I am putting the screen back on the nursery, so we're on the way back together. So these are the lights I use. They're full spectrum to LED, as you can see. They're 4-foot lights, and they definitely work very well. Hey guys, I'm back. Just showing you what I've got accomplished to this. I've got the feed lines back in. I've got the trays back in. I've got the screen on it. As you see, I've got a button up the back side here. I got the lights in it, as you see. I got the bucket all cleaned up. The 27-gallon tote. Got it all cleaned up. So, right now, I've got to put the door back on it. I've got to make the small feed lines that will come around and feed the nutrients and water to the tables, and we'll be good to go. See you in a bit. Hey guys, okay, it is finished. I got the feed lines on both sides. You saw the lights were on. I have the door back on. Yep, door is back on. And pretty much done. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please hit the like button and please share it with your friends. Would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.